Hello and welcome to Anti-Aging April, the month of glowing, healthy skin. My name's Una from Dermal Health and I'm a dermatology and skincare expert. This month we want to create awareness about what your skin needs to look and feel great as we grow older. I'll be showcasing a full range of anti-aging recipes from cleansing to moisturisers, so you too can make your own natural anti-aging skincare collection simply and easily. And my guess is you've already got the ingredients you need in your home now. So come on this anti-aging April journey with us. By the end of the month, your skin is going to feel plumper, softer and more rejuvenated from top to toe. And I'm delighted to be able to share these videos with you all.